Good morning student, class 11. The topic set is continued. Today we will learn very important symbols for the set theory. See, there are the important symbols. First is a symbol, there is a phi. Phi is used as a null set or empty set. Student, there is a epsilon. There is a sign of epsilon. It means belongs to. Belongs to. Student, let there is a set A, element A, B, C. Then we will say A belongs to the set A. B belongs to the set A. It means there is a sign of belongs to or it is a member of. We can say A is the member of the set A. Then this is the sign of not belongs to. Not belongs to. So same here we can say D not belongs to A. D E not belongs to A. This is the meaning of not belongs to. Student, next there is a sign. It means implies that. Implies that. Suppose there is some statement. From that statement we are finding something. Then we can say this implies that. It is not implies. Now you can see some more signs. Student, now there are some more signs. There is a sign. It is if and only if. If and only if. It means one of the statement it is valid from both the sides. Student, set theory, there are so many symbols. There is one symbol. It means for every. For every. We will use this sign when we will say about the set. Suppose there is one statement which is true for every element. Then we will say like that. For every element of the set. So then we use this sign. Then there is a sign of this. It means there exists. It is means there exists. Suppose there is some statement or question, some particular element is existing, some statement is valid, then we will say in this statement this thing is existing. So we will use this type of the sign. Student, now see some more symbol. There is a like this U. It means union. Union, when we combine two sets, then it is said to be union. Then there is a sign of intersection. Student, you will learn these things when I will discuss about the operation on the sets. Then, students, there is a sign. It is the sign of subset. Subset is a small set of the given set. We will discuss this thing later. Then it is a superset. the sign of superset. Student see, it is not the subset, not the subset. Student, there is a sign, it is delta, it means is symmetric difference. Symmetric difference. Student, that A is a given set, then A bar is called A bar, is a complement of the set. Complement of the set. Student, there is a one more thing. It is like that, or sometime we will use the sign zeta. It is for universal set. Universal set. Student, these are the important symbols for the set theory. So I hope you will learn all these symbols separately. Some may be left, then I will discuss later. But I have discussed most of the symbols which are very much important for the set theory.